What's up, everybody? It's me, Mopar Matt, coming to you from the studio like always. This video is being filmed especially for 427 GT40. He requested I show the plastic tabs on the car on a base, and how the punch is involved, here's the punch right here. But of course I got the camera zoomed in like crazy. So I got the punch I need, and I have a very much, as you can see there, hold on, as you can see there, a customized precision screwdriver out of a set that's long since been incomplete. So I customized it and filed it down to a really sharp edge, as you can see right there. But once again, I have a random casting base, and come on, focus. Thank you. I take the screwdriver and slide it under the plastic tab and pivot it up. Now come on, focus. As you can see there, if you're not careful, this is what can happen. You see this tab right here, nice straight, not broken. Whereas you see this tab here, I guess the plastic was a little thinner there, and it broke when I went to pry it off. So sometimes you get lucky, other times you don't, but they do break sometimes. So, continuing on with this operation, just like that. So now two of the three are lifted up. Flip the base around. Come on. And sometimes you get a fighter, like this one is. And there we go. And look at that. The flimsy plastic broke on this one too. Part of the fun of trying to do a swap. Take the axle out. Once again, the plastic broke right there. Because in the effort to try to get this tab to come loose, to bend upward, I overbent that one. But it happens sometimes. Now, let's say on this particular casting, I had done my wheel swap, fabbed up my new axles, blah blah blah. And I now have the wheels in the base. What I then do, once I get my finger out of the way, is I take my punch like this, and hopefully I can get a good angle on this for you, and I literally just, if the axle wants to stay in place, and I literally just like that. Once again, the axle's moving. Just like that. And I hope that was on camera. If not, I'll do it again. got your base, got the punch, and just like that, it's folded down. Now there are times where the little plastic tabs will break when you push them down. Other times, like you see right here and right here, they will break when you're prying them up in the first place. But that's pretty much the simplest way I can put it. I hope that explains everything you needed to know. So that is pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. And as always, this is me, Mopar Matt, coming to you from the studio. Like always, I will see all of you later. Bye.